Welcome back, Wealth Wisdom 101 family, to the ultimate destination for financial education and wealth building strategies. In today's video, we'll be exploring a unique and exciting opportunity. Getting paid to watch videos on YouTube. That's right. You can actually earn money while watching videos online. So if you're interested in discovering new ways to boost your income and achieve financial freedom, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Let's dive right in and learn how you can start earning money by watching videos on YouTube. Now that you're excited about the prospect of earning money by watching videos, let's talk about the basic requirements you'll need to get started. First and foremost, you'll need a stable internet connection to ensure smooth video streaming. Next, you'll need a device to watch videos on, such as a computer, smartphone, or tablet. Finally, you'll need a valid email address to sign up for various platforms that offer paid video watching opportunities. With these essentials in place, you're ready to embark on your journey to earn money by watching videos on YouTube. Moving on to the exciting part, let's explore some popular platforms that allow you to earn money by watching videos on YouTube. Keep in mind that these platforms are not directly affiliated with YouTube, but they do offer rewards for watching and engaging with video content. First up is Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a well-known rewards platform that offers various ways to earn points, called SB, which can be redeemed for gift cards or cash via PayPal. One of the ways to earn SB is by watching videos on their platform, which includes YouTube videos. Swagbucks has a wide range of video categories to choose from, so you'll never run out of content to watch. Next, we have Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is another popular platform that pays you for completing various tasks, including watching videos. They have a dedicated video section where you can watch short video clips and earn cash rewards. The platform offers a variety of video content, such as news, entertainment, and more. Next is MyPoints. MyPoints is a rewards platform that allows you to earn points by watching videos, shopping online, and completing other tasks. You can redeem your points for gift cards or cash through PayPal. MyPoints has a diverse selection of video content, making it easy to find something that interests you. Each of these platforms has its own unique features, pros, and cons. To maximize your earnings, consider signing up for multiple platforms and exploring the various ways they offer to earn rewards. In the next section, we'll dive deeper into the earning potential of each platform and discuss how you can make the most of your video watching experience. Now let's talk about earning potential. Earning potential is an important aspect to consider when deciding to invest your time in watching videos for money. While it's true that you can earn rewards by watching videos on platforms like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and MyPoints, it's essential to set realistic expectations. The earning potential for watching videos on these platforms is generally low, and it's unlikely to replace a full-time income. However, it can be a fun and easy way to make some extra cash or earn gift cards in your spare time. To maximize your earning potential, consider the following tips. Be consistent. Regularly watching videos and engaging with the content will help you accumulate rewards over time. Take advantage of bonuses. Some platforms offer bonuses for completing specific tasks or reaching certain milestones. Keep an eye out for these opportunities to boost your earnings. Combine with other online activities. As mentioned earlier, these platforms also offer other ways to earn rewards, such as taking surveys or shopping online. Combining video watching with these activities can help increase your overall earnings. Remember, the key to success with these platforms is consistency and patience. While you won't become rich overnight, watching videos for money can be an enjoyable way to earn some extra cash in your free time. By now, you're familiar with some popular platforms that allow you to earn money by watching videos on YouTube. In this section, we'll share some tips and strategies to help you maximize your earnings and make the most of your video watching experience. Create a schedule. Set aside a specific time each day to watch videos on these platforms. Consistency is key to accumulating rewards over time. Engage with the content. Some platforms offer additional rewards for engaging with the videos, such as liking, commenting, or sharing. Make sure to participate in these activities to boost your earnings. Refer friends and family. Many platforms have referral programs that reward you for inviting others to join. Share your referral link with friends and family to earn extra rewards. Explore other earning opportunities. Don't limit yourself to just watching videos. Most of these platforms offer multiple ways to earn rewards, such as taking surveys, shopping online, or completing offers. Diversify your activities to maximize your earnings. Stay organized. Keep track of your earnings and rewards on each platform. This will help you monitor your progress and identify which platforms are the most profitable for you. By following these tips and strategies, you'll be well on your way to earning money by watching videos on YouTube. Remember, consistency and dedication are crucial to achieving success in this endeavor. As you know by now, watching videos for money is just one of the many ways you can earn money online. If you're looking for alternative opportunities to supplement your income or explore new avenues, consider the following options. Freelancing. Offer your skills and expertise on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. You can find work in various fields, such as writing, graphic design, programming, and more. Online surveys. Participate in paid online surveys through websites like SurveyJunkie, Binge Research, or Pinecone Research. Share your opinions on products and services to earn cash or gift cards. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services on your blog, social media, or YouTube channel, and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank offer a wide range of products to promote. Online tutoring. Share your knowledge and expertise by teaching others through online tutoring platforms like VIP Kid, Chegg Tutors, or Tutor.com. Selling products online. Create and sell your own products such as handmade crafts, digital products, or print-on-demand merchandise through platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Teespring. These are just a few examples of the many opportunities available for earning money online. Remember, it's essential to research each option thoroughly and choose the one that best aligns with your skills, interests, and goals. Exploring online money-making opportunities can be exciting, but it's crucial to remain cautious and vigilant to avoid falling victim to scams. In this section, we'll share some tips on how to stay safe and protect yourself from potential scams. Do your research. Before joining any platform or program, research its legitimacy. Look for reviews, testimonials, and any red flags that might indicate a scam. Avoid unrealistic promises. If an opportunity seems too good to be true, it probably is. Be wary of platforms that promise high earnings with little effort or guarantee a specific income. Never pay up front. Legitimate platforms and opportunities should not require you to pay any fees up front. If a platform asks for payment before you can start earning, it's likely a scam. Protect your personal information. Be cautious about sharing your personal information, such as your email address, phone number, or bank account details. Only provide this information to trusted and verified platforms. Trust your instincts. If something feels off or suspicious, trust your gut and avoid the opportunity. It's better to be safe than sorry. By following these tips and staying vigilant, you can protect yourself from scams and enjoy a safe and rewarding online money-making experience. In conclusion, earning money online through watching videos, alternative opportunities, and being cautious of scams are all important aspects to consider when venturing into the world of online income generation. Remember to research each opportunity thoroughly, set realistic expectations, and stay vigilant to protect yourself from potential scams. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and guidance on how to navigate the world of online money-making opportunities. If you found this information helpful, please consider liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and turning on notifications to stay updated on our latest content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you and help you on your journey to financial success. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.